Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix shutdown button missing on Mac login screen. So if you are only looking for the shutdown button but can't find it on the Mac login screen, the solution is very simple. The shutdown button is not controlled by a separate setting. It's a part of the option to show all three power buttons including sleep, restart and shutdown. So if that setting is turned off, none of these buttons will appear. So here's how to bring back the shutdown button back on the Mac login screen. So first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to login screen. And then find the option show the sleep, restart and shutdown buttons. And in your Mac, probably this toggle is disabled. That's why these power buttons are not showing on the Mac login screen. So all you just need to enable it, and if it is already enabled but still you can't see the power buttons, all you just need to disable it first and then enable it again and check if the power button are showing or not. If they are still not showing, restart your Mac once and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.